Hey guys, what's up? So it's been such a long time that we haven't posted any video. So the today purpose of this video is that we're supposed to start our crash course on general studies. And first we will discuss about the economics. So in this course, we will discuss about the basic concepts of economics. And in this course, the target audience is UPSC aspirants, banking aspirants, state PSC aspirants, and other government exams, especially those who are preparing for Class A and Class B services. Okay. So in this course, the topics which supposed to be covered like RBI and its functions like quantitative functions, qualitative credit control measures, banking sector evolution, NBFCs, non-banking financial companies, NPAs, non-performing assets, 5-year plans, LPG reforms, very important, liberalization, privatization, and globalization, inflation, land reforms, very, very important, MSP, minimum support price, PDS, public distribution system, Basel norms, FDI, FII, foreign investments related taxation. In this, we also covered the GST, goods and services tax, tariff versus non-tariff barriers, the most important topic, and so on. So we will discuss so many topics and in a very depth way. And the important highlights of this course is the classes will be live on Zoom app, and the second point is the MCQs daily. When we covered up the topic, we will discuss the MCQs regarding that particular topic. Live discussion will be held during the class. Conceptual clarity, the main focus is on conceptual clarity. Okay, so along with facts we will also focus on conceptual clarity, the more on conceptual clarity. And the classes duration is 1.5 to 2 hour classes. So this is all about our course. So the payment of this course is the fee of this course is for 12 days you have to pay 499, that is 499. And if you're supposed to join the complete course and you have to pay in a one shot, then you have to pay 999, that is 999 rupees. Okay, so it's on you what you supposed to opt. And for more inquiries you can ping me on my number, that is 7710 696969. Again, I'll repeat my number because there is some reflection of light might be there. So my number is 7710 696969. So this course is basically for, I already again told you, this UPSC aspirants. तो जो भी बच्चे इस कोर्स को करना चाहते हैं वो इस नंबर पर पिंग करें ताकि हम लोग जल्द से जल्द ये ऑनलाइन क्लासेस जो हैं शुरू करें. थैंक यू सो मच.